What's up, online shoppers? My new bead kit just arrived in the mail, so I thought I'd do an unboxing with you and take a look at everything that you can get in here. I know it's in a clear package, but still we're gonna run through everything that's in here and talk about it. Now this one here is made of polymer clay, and it has lots of different options for friendship bracelets, for jewelry. It's got great little letter beads as well. Now we all know that friendship bracelets are all the rage right now. Thank you, T Swift and all her friends. So who doesn't want to make friendship bracelets, exchange them and trade them and collect them? That's what we're here for. So let's take a look at what's in this awesome little box. Now, when I flip it over, you can really appreciate how nicely this box is laid out. Look at all these colored polymer clay beads. Tons and tons of options. You can make all kinds of really fun, colorful bracelets with this. You also get some really neat white beads that have little faces and symbols on them. You get some really great colored beads. This here, I'm excited to see. Looks like you get some jewelry making tools in here. You've got some big letter beads, some stretchy elastic string, and then a whole bunch of charms and things in here. Let's flip this over and see what is actually inside. I love that this case is really smartly designed. It's got latch fasteners all the way around and then a hinge on this side. So you've got two latch fasteners right here at the front, and you've got one on each of the sides, everything nice and securely closed. The lid opens up just like that. And what I like about this too, we've got these divided little containers for all your different polymer bead colors. And on the lid, it actually has little clear plastic ridges so that this closes securely, and no matter how much you shake it, the beads stay where they're supposed to be. So let's open this up and get into all the cool stuff that's in here. You've got two nice little spools of bracelet making material. This is a stretchy cord for making bracelets, and this is a nice fiber cord for making bracelets. Super sturdy. Fits in here really nice. Now over here in this package, you have all sorts of pieces for jewelry making. You've got hoops, you've got lobster claws, you've got rings and hook and eye closures and earring clasps. All kinds of great pieces to make jewelry with. I can only imagine the fun that this is going to bring. There's also some really nice little gold beads of different shapes and sizes, round ones, stars, squared off beads. They even give you some really cool shells and also some really neat little gold charms, feathers, cupids, anchors, all kinds of great stuff. And I love that it has its own little section. Fits really nice and closes really easy too. Now, let's see what else we got here. This is really cool. This is a neat little pair of snips for cutting your cord. Easier to use than scissors, and it also has this really nice handy case to keep the sharp pointy edges away from you when you're not using them. Oh, look how cool this is. You actually get beading needles in this kit. Now, these needles are specially designed to work for beading. I'm going to put one of them in. You get two of them. They're very, very thin. You can hardly even see them, but there's no problem with getting them through the narrow holes of the beads. So you can actually thread things on here and make sure you understand what your pattern is. I really like that. That's cool. You also have a really cool set of tweezers here. Love the grip on these. This is great because you can actually get down inside like this. This angle at the bottom makes it really easy to pick up beads and get exactly the beads that you want, which is really nice. And they have a little protective cover as well. You can also use this as a reamer if you need to get into those beads that are maybe a little tight. Maybe they weren't quite manufactured well. As well, we also have our needle threader here so that you can thread your needle when you are ready for it. I love that it has its own little section for tools. That's really great. You can see there's also some really nice letter beads here. They're very nice quality construction. There's no paint missing inside the letters because the paint is actually inside of it. It's a relief, so it's not right just stamped on the surface. It's actually ingrained right into the bead. You also have these other really cute little beads that have symbols on them, hearts and things like that. I'm really impressed with the way this polymer bead bracelet making kit is. I love the accessories you get for jewelry making, all the different bead styles that you can do. You can really build some super cool bracelets. I imagine this is going to be tons and tons of fun, and it all comes in a great case. I'm definitely happy with what I got out of the box. I can't wait to spend my time with my little people making friendship bracelets and enjoying the experience of being creative. I am definitely confident that this is going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.